Namaste students, in this video we are going to see introduction to quadratic equation. Before enter into the topic quadratic equation, tell me about quadratic polynomial. What is the general form of the quadratic polynomial? The general form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. And a not equal to 0 where a, b and c are constants or real numbers. It has a degree 2. We won't write is equal to 0. That's it. The quadratic polynomial means it has a degree 2. The general form of the quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. In this general form, if we are writing is equal to 0 means that is quadratic equation. Quadratic equation means equation of degree 2 in one variable. The second degree equation is called as a quadratic equation. If we have a degree 2 in the equation with one variable with is equal to sign, then we call it as quadratic equation. The general form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A not equal to 0. Here a, b and c are constants or real numbers. For example, this is an equation, quadratic equation. It has a degree 2. 2x square. It has a degree 2 minus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. Be an quadratic equation. In the place of a, we have 2. A is equal to 2. Compare with the general form. B is equal to minus 3 and C is equal to minus 4. So this is the general form of the quadratic equation. Roots of a quadratic equation. Root is nothing but the solution of a quadratic equation. Solution means what? The solution of a quadratic equation means values of the variable x. Value of the variable. In the quadratic equation, this is a general form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. The value of the variable x which satisfies the equation or which make both the sides of the equation equal are called the roots of the quadratic equation. So, the roots of the quadratic equation is nothing but value of the variable x. We can find these roots using the quadratic equation formula. The equation is x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Using this formula, we can find the solution. We can find the roots of a quadratic equation easily. Discriminant of a quadratic equation. Discriminant means the quantity b square minus 4ac is called the discriminant of the quadratic equation, and we can denote it by capital D. That is d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Using this discriminant, that is capital D, we can guess how we will get the values, how we will get the value of x. Whether you will get the negative value or positive value or equal roots, how we will get the roots by using the discriminant. For example, 3x square minus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. How we can find the discriminant? See here, a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 2 and c is equal to minus 1. The discriminant b is equal to d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Instead of b, you have to substitute minus 2 and a 3 and c is minus 1. Substitute everything and find the value, that is 16. Like this you can find the discriminant and you can guess how you will get the roots of the quadratic equation. Nature of the roots. The nature of the roots can be determined by calculating the value of the discriminant. The value of the discriminant is d is equal to b square minus 4ac. By using this discriminant, we can find the roots. How we will get the roots? How could be the roots that we can find? According to the following rules. If you are getting d is equal to 0, that is discriminant is equal to 0 means the roots could be real and equal. Real and equal. Okay. For example, 4x square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. Compare with the general form of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. The value of a is 4 and the value of b is minus 4 and c is 1. Substitute in the discriminant formula d is equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 4 the whole square. Instead of b you have to substitute minus 4. Minus 4 the whole square minus 4 into 4 into 1, that is 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. Therefore, the roots of the quadratic equation, that is 4x square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0, will be real and equal. We will get the equal roots for this quadratic equation. If the value of the discriminant is greater than 0, that is positive value, means the roots of the quadratic equation will be real and distinct, or we can say it as unequal. For example, x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to 6. So d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Instead of b, you have to substitute minus 5. Minus 5 the whole square minus 4 into 1 into 6 is equal to minus 5 the whole square is 25. 25 minus 24 is 1. 1 is the positive value, that is the value of the d is greater than 0. Then the roots of this quadratic equation x square minus 5x plus c is equal to 0 or real and distinct. Real and distinct, or we will get unequal roots. If the value of the discriminant is less than 0, that is negative, if you are getting the negative value means the roots of the quadratic equation will be imaginary or non-real or complex. We can call it as complex also. For example, x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 1 and c is equal to 1. D discriminant formula is b square minus 4ac. Instead of b you have to substitute 1 and instead of a you have to substitute 1 and instead of c you have to substitute 1. So 1 square minus 4 into 1 into 1. 1 minus 4 and you will get minus 3. That is negative value less than 0. Therefore, the roots of the quadratic equation x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0 will be non-real. The roots will be non-real, that is imaginary. You will get the imaginary numbers. I hope you all understood the introduction of quadratic equation well. Thank you, students.